Fast check for NaN in NumPy. I'm looking for the fastest way to check for the occurrence of NaN, np.nan, in a NumPy array X. np.isNaN X is out of the question, since it builds a Boolean array of shape x.shape, which is potentially gigantic. I tried np.nan in X, but that seems not to work because np.nan not equal np.nan. Is there a fast and memory efficient way to do this at all? To those who would ask how gigantic, I can't tell. This is input validation for library code.
Ray solution is good. However, on my machine it is about 2.5x faster to use NumPy.sum in place of NumPy.min. Unlike min, sum doesn't require branching, which on modern hardware tends to be pretty expensive. This is probably the reason why sum is faster. Added the above test was performed with a single NaN right in the middle of the array. It is interesting to note that min is slower in the presence of nans than in their absence. It also seems to get slower as nans get closer to the start of the array. On the other hand, sum's throughput seems constant regardless of whether there are nans and where they're located.
I think np.isNaN np.minx should do what you want.
There are two general approaches here. Check each array item for NaN and take any, apply some cumulative operation that preserves nans, like sum, and check its result. While the first approach is certainly the cleanest, the heavy optimization of some of the cumulative operations, particularly the ones that are executed in BLAS, like dot, can make those quite fast. Note that dot, like some other BLAS operations, are multi-threaded under certain conditions. This explains the difference in speed between different machines.
Even there exists an accepted answer. I like to demonstrate the following, with Python 2.7.2 and NumPy 1.6.0 on Vista. Thus, the really efficient way might be heavily dependent on the operating system. Anyway, based seems to be the most stable one.